Before adding validation, there are a few preparatory steps that are required. To successfully use Angular validation, the data entry form must have a name. That name is used to reference the controls on the form from Angular. And it's a good idea to set the noValidate attribute on the form element. This turns off the browser's built-in validation and allows Angular to handle the validation instead. One note here before we move on. Recall in the last module that we used basic HTML tags, like the form tag as shown here, to create a data entry form in an Angular application. That was a little oversimplified. Angular actually has a set of directives that replace the standard HTML elements, such as form and input. This replacement happens automatically. So what looks like standard HTML form and input elements are really Angular directives. Because these HTML elements are transformed into Angular directives, Angular can provide some additional attributes on these elements. Now let's prepare our form for validation. Here we are back in WebStorm. Our product edit info view HTML page is open. We already gave the form a name. It's just called product form. All we need to do then is add the noValidate attribute. So now the form's ready. Let's start the validation by identifying the required fields.